welcome to another day of heavy rain and sad dad adventures. I am joined today with Percival, Slug, and Serge, the voice of God, just being out there, just being just omnipotent and out all around and out and about and doing things out there.
This is when you wake up next to your girlfriend or wife. That's oh god.
So we have a new follow. We have registered sex offender 238 followed. Awesome.
Number one fan.
Thank you, registered sex offender.
Thanks for following us. You know, I get it.
Appreciate you registering.
I see it.
At least you registered.
Hey, thanks for following us too. Get it? Where we at?
Sorry. We're
Sad
not
dad.
Sorry. Don't get cut. You're gonna get lockjaw.
I sort of want to let go. Oh, that wasn't me.
Man, look at you.
Yeah.
That wasn't me. Nope, that wasn't me. That was a game.
Just
You like to taste the blood.
That was supposed to happen.
He's a killer.
It's a tennis shot.
I'm the origami killer.
Dude, something's gonna jump scare us, isn't it?
Probably.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm ready.
Oh no.
Why would you
come
go
on.
in?
This is a Saw shit right here. He's gotta get his son.
Give me back my son.
And now you're
Who closed it?
That's great. This is a great ab workout, by the way.
I should never have got into this pipe. It's suicide.
Dude.
Oh fuck. This is Saw.
Saw.
Oh, fuck that man.
Stupid fucking pipe. Because of me.
There you go, Dad. Go, Dad.
Keep it together, Ethan. Come on.
Pain
Right?
is temporary.
Left.
You gotta
Right.
go-
Butterfly.
Uh-oh. Which way you're gonna die?
Down.
The match flame. It indicates where the fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
So that's right.
Yeah.
I don't
Well,
get
the
it.
wind was blowing from the left.
It was blowing
Right?
from the left.
Yeah. So I go right.
Keeps turning it off right away.
There's a slight draft. If I could figure out where it's coming from, it could lead me to the exit.
So
Okay,
figure out
to the
to the left.
I will not
yeah.
give up.
Oh, that's where they are then. So this is the way out, but it makes me wonder if it was the right.
I'm gonna die.
So you follow the flame.
Soon.
Yeah, left, right? Yeah, everybody's saying left in the chat.
I'm bleeding all over.
Everyone
My
went
skin's
left.
torn to pieces.
Yeah,
If we die, we'll blame the chat.
Yeah, well, we'll blame this
Keep it together.
bad
Ethan.
game.
Come on.
It's a
We'll
bad
blame
game.
Ethan. Follow the wind. Okay, fine. Follow the wind, not where the wind is coming from, but where the wind is going.
So left.
Go left.
I guess so.
Yes, just
It
go
didn't
left.
make sense. If you're trying to look for an
Nothing in
exit,
this
you
game
would.
makes sense.
Turn that way. No. What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing? Not it.
What are you
Wait, now, wait.
Now you're turned around.
Wait,
Now you gotta do the magic kid.
What's this telling me?
They're going anywhere.
Forward?
Yeah, go forward a little bit.
I keep it.
Stop burning yourself. Cauterize the wound. Because I don't know if you were forward enough. No, why are you turning around?
What are you doing?
What?
What the hell?
I pushed up to go forward and he turned around.
Just go.
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Now go straight. Guess it's got infinite matches.
Strike the match.
Hold it.
Hold the match.
So that way, straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
They gotta go all.
No! Strike the match. What is this?
Okay.
Left?
Left. Yeah.
Right? No.
You motherfuckers.
I mean, if it's
Hey, hold on. Before we keep crawling, hold on. Hold on, okay? We gotta make a decision. Are we
The match
trying to
flame.
get to
There
where
it
the
goes.
wind
Where the
is?
fresh air comes from. All I have to do is follow the wind.
It indicates
So-
where the fresh air comes from.
Okay. Are we trying to go towards the source of the air or where the air is going to?
I thought we were going to where the air is coming from.
yeah. Like if
Okay,
there's
so
an
then go
opening-
right.
Go right.
Yeah, if it's blowing from right to left and the flame points left, so you go right.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay,
So
let's
we're
stick
go-
with that theory. Let's just stick with that theory, and then we'll see what happens. Okay?
So we're going
Let's see
right.
if-
The wind is coming from the right because the flame's going left. That way. Right. Go right, you fucker. Don't turn around. Don't fucking do any of this shit. What?
Yeah.
You see? Not the first
Okay.
one.
It's to
Yep.
turn back.
Match flame. It indicates where the fresh air
So
comes
now
from.
we're going to where
All
the
I have to do is
match
follow the
flame
wind.
is going to.
So now just bust a U-turn and go straight.
Now we're following this logic.
To
Follow the
right.
To the
fire.
right.
Yep.
Yeah, follow the fire.
Pointing right. I'm pushing
He's looking
R2.
right. Go up a little bit. You're not. You're
Yeah,
not
go
there
a
yet.
little bit. Don't you dare! Don't you dare!
I want to go right.
Go up a little more. Is that as far as you can go?
Yeah.
There you go. Now go to the right. Go to the right. Keep going. Keep. Right.
It doesn't want to go. Either way now. Just pick. No.
No! Stop. Okay,
I
now
knew-
turn around.
I knew this wasn't the right way and it made me go this way. Ah!
Dun, 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 dun.
That's really bad.
I fucked them up.
Yeah. Well, I would say we did.
The
Okay.
game made no sense.
All right, look at this.
Yeah, but this is gonna be fun.
This one?
That one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Man, if there was a supervillain that would put me in a video game and say, you know, you have to pick a friend that's gonna play you, I'm like, not Edgar.
we're just going forward. Let's see
Like,
what
oh,
happens.
let's see what happens.
He's like he hits the
That's not gonna
coward door
hurt.
immediately. Okay.
Like, why go
Good.
through the whole thing? Just go through the door. Oh shit, that's the button.
What's in front of you? Yeah. So go through that one.
So I got that. Okay, there we go.
You don't want to go through that one.
Nope.
No, the
What do you
the-
got?
the one you're
That
looking
one,
at.
right?
No, on the right.
One more. I'm taking it little by little.
That one's
Go
on.
back. What are you doing?
That
No,
one's on.
Forward.
left.
Left.
That one?
That one.
Yes.
Nah.
Isn't that one on too?
No, it's off. Oh, like what's her name? Catherine Zeta-Jones.
I want to be just like her.
Just like somersaulting through this.
Oh, more buttons.
Oh God. There's gonna be buttons that don't even exist. On the
Oh
side of this.
shit!
Oh!
They give you a tap out of nowhere.
One. Oh, here comes the blood.
I wasn't ready for the taps. I don't know.
No, look again. Right,
Right.
right.
That's
No,
left.
Look again. Right.
This is left.
Okay, go left then. Left. Left. I don't care which way you turn. No, right.
So this one.
No, that one.
Oh my god.
Look. Now look. Look.
I'm looking. I'm looking.
That one.
Oh my god, Edgar.
R1. Oh my God! Please be right. Please be right. Come on. Come on.
What? Hey.
Oh.
No way.
Oh, he's gotta jump through. Oh shit.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did
Dude,
Like,
it.
go-
that turned into bad
It's not
dad.
burning.
Michael Jackson
Is
bad.
it me?
Is it me?
Is it just me?
Whoa.
52.
52. Rebel Street.
Rebelte.
Robert Alter.
Why is she always just snooping?
Nosy ass bitch.
Oh my god.
Oh, you want to see the box?
I mean. Oh shit.
Fuck yeah,
Snoopy
snoop around.
guys.
Snoop around to the box.
They're gonna be all. Oh no.
Head, chest, arm. The most important thing, the arm.
Your back's fine. Why don't you crawl on your back?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Damn.
Damn.
That's the one shock. That's what you did to him.
That wasn't me.
So happens you don't tap X.
Damn, who did this to you?
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah,
Are
that's
you-
rough.
Are you satisfied, Edgar?
A little bit. He deserves this. He lost 2 kids, remember? And tap you up. There you go.
Get up. Use all your
Alright.
strength.
We could
Give
we
him a
could
little
make it.
hand job,
We
make
can make
it feel
another son.
better. We can make another son.
Yeah, get out of here. Sean,
I'm coming, Sean. I'll find you wherever you are.
are you prepared to make a sacrifice to save your son? 9711 Marble Street.
Oh, that's fucked up, man. We're gonna have to kill somebody.
Oh,
Are you
goodbye,
ready?
medicine.
It's not looking good.
But why would he make himself go through all these trials if he's the killer?
He feels
Split personality.
Yeah. Feels bad.
Was he also killed all those other kids too then?
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
Makes
Day
sense
and
if you
night.
don't think about it.
Oh, almost ran one over.
They're like, what about the other crimes going on? I don't care.
Day and night. That's all you
Every
want. Every cop.
All 600 cops.
All right, here we go.
All right. This
Rest of the game depends on this, right?
You got this. You got
yeah,
this.
more important than going through electricity. Mm-hmm.
Grip
You're
that
doing
clip.
great.
Hold up.
There you go. Keep your eye on the ball.
And
And give it a good one. Wow, that was not impressive. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna smash the shit out of this one. Up. And then you gotta let go and gah! Oh no. R1.
Overtime.
And I think I have to force it down. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
I can't wait till we hear a loud crash and he's like, guys, I broke my controller.
Am I gonna fight with the golf club?
Hit him. Hit him.
That's Percy's go-to. Hit him!
Violence.
Why is he still standing? God damn it! Okay, I'm starting not to care about this part of the case.
The Playboy. Yeah, but they brought it back up, so I'm just gonna guess it means something.
It's
Maybe he's
all
funding.
like-
He's funding the origami killer. He knows. I think he knows. Sorry about my chair, by the way, stream. I'll fix it by next stream. By tomorrow.
Fuck, I missed the inches again.
Size doesn't matter.
This one was a. Oh. We got Trippy Haps, #1 fan, following us. Thanks, Trippy Haps. It's awesome. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Trippy.
Trippy Haps is a G1 from Game Attack. Much love.
All the loves.
So much love.
Trippy Hat says, much love. I'll support my friends.
It's the right
Hey,
place,
thanks,
but
Trippy.
What am I
Trip,
supposed to do with
trip.
this dump?
Do you want to play a video?
A GPS on the table.
Damn, it's
A
a big
GPS on the
GPS.
table.
What is it?
A GPS on the table.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Can you tell me what that
A
is?
GPS on the table.
Oh,
A
thank
GPS
you.
on the table. A GPS on the table.
Whoa. There's a propane tank there.
Uh-huh. But that's not what I care about. What do I care about?
A GPS on the table.
That's all.
What are we sitting and looking at?
You gotta-
A GPS on the
The,
table.
the GPS. It's a YouTube video. I've seen that play button.
Help me get to 1 million likes.
It's he's gonna get Rickrolled right now.
You have 5 minutes to cut off
Ooh.
the last section of one of your fingers in front of the camera.
Oh,
If
fucked
you
up. All right, but
succeed,
just
you will get your reward.
Okay.
he's not even like thinking too much about it. He's like, yeah, just cut my finger. No problem. It's a body modification. It's cool. It's all the cute. Here we go.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, no, I was trying it. He has to do it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo.
Here we go. Come on, you can't do origami if you don't have all your fingers, and they can't prove that you're the origami killer. How am I gonna do origami? I don't have a pinky. Here we go.
And got.
Ah!
Oh, you did it! You did it! Oh shit, that's fucked up, man. Oh shit, this is fucked up. It's like, whoa, I
I'd be
didn't
like,
think you
oh
do it.
shit, you actually did it, bro. You're fucking insane. I was just joking, but damn.
I had to, Sean. I love you. I love you.
He bites too hard and he
Yeah,
breaks
it-
it. Oh no!
File unable to reach. Oh, no! Unable to read file. No!
Cover up.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
That's pretty bad. Roosevelt?
852 Roosevelt. I like to solve the puzzle.
I'm having a good time right now. I'm fucking. Ethan's getting fucked up left and right.
This is making me nervous. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep well tonight. I'm gonna have weird dreams.
Weird dreams.
If you could just get past the wounds
staked out the
and
building where
bleeding,
Ethan is.
and the fact that he might be a murderer.
How can you know me?
He's kind of cute.
Walk into the building without being noticed.
I can fix him.
I've got to warn you.
Look at the cops at the bottom. They're
You
just.
gotta get
Like,
out of here fast.
the-
Cops are gonna break in any second.
You wanna order
I forgot that they were down there.
Ethan, you want to help a little bit? Try and figure out where the fuck to go? Yeah! Yeah!
I gotta do.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
Uh-oh.
yeah.
Oh.
Didn't hear.
I didn't hear hard enough. Yeah! Yeah!
You yawned too soon.
I got too quick.
Yeah, you're getting jumpy on the yas.
Yeah! 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 Uh-oh.
Okay, maybe I was wrong.
Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah!
The crate. I'd be able to pull him up if I could just get to the window.
Get the crate. Which crate? I don't see any
I like
crates.
either crate.
I see boxes. Do you mean the
crate.
boxes?
I'd be able to pull him up if I could just get to the window.
Ah.
Did you say boxes?
Oh, the crate.
Oh, the crate.
Hey.
Am I gonna make it?
Start skanking.
Shoot her out the window? Pa, pa, pa.
Shit! They spotted us. We need to move while we still have a chance.
No!
Oh, no, Egg
Okay, hey, where are you going?
It won't
it!
let me.
Okay.
We
Yeah.
might still manage to escape if I go now.
Give for
What's,
that
that,
El Camino.
what's going down over there? You almost got run
Yeah,
over?
what's the traffic? What's holding up traffic?
No, you see in the bottom? Like, Jaden almost got like ran over.
Yeah.
Ethan, Ethan, what's the matter?
Oh god, really now?
Yeah, let's go.
Ethan!
He always does this at train stations.
With crowds.
Oh, crowds. Yeah, you're right.
Look for the balloon.
He's like, I'm an introvert. I'm gonna die.
They're everywhere. They're trying to corner us. Why am I risking my life for him?
Yeah.
The cops are after me.
Why are you?
Dangerous.
Yeah. Why?
Quick, quick, Ethan, quick! It's gonna happen.
Oh, wow.
Yeet.
No one notices the people on the tracks. Mm-mm.
Yeah.
It's hard to look.
cares.
It's hard to look at the bottom part, dude.
Well, you could tell this game was made a long time ago because they would have had everybody on their cell phones recording that.
Yeah, fuck you, FBI man. You and your glasses.
They're Oh wait, is this northbound? Oh shit, I'm on the wrong.
Nah,
street.
fuck. That's me.
Hey, me?
Hit me. No pinky. Fucked up knee. Messed up arm. Fucked up chest.
I brought some
Ooh,
food. They say you're the origami killer.
Origami.
origami.
Is it true? Are you the killer, Ethan?
Ethan's the killer. I'm pretty sure if he went to the cops and said, "Look at all this evidence.
You're on
Arrest me, but save my kid." You know.
Yeah. Can you guys go do these fucking tests?
Yeah. Turn yourself in. Give them all the clues. Make them go through all this shit.
They're gonna be like, that sounds like a lot of work. We'll just blame it on you.
Keep going like this. You're destroying
Like, you know what? I'm not really good at escape rooms, so I'll just hold back.
Dang. I mean, we could, or we could just be heroes right now. So we're gonna go with that.
Are you telling me you're the Riddler? You're leaving yourself clues and shit?
Please, Madison. Leave.
Yeah, get out of here. Solo dolo, babe.
I don't know, man. You're not good when you're by yourself with kids.
Oh, and
Messing up a
two,
lot.
baby.
Like, she left? She took me seriously?
Fuck.
I didn't mean
Dang
to.
it.
Back.
Really,
I'm trying to
dude.
reverse psychology.
Yeah. Remember when he was fucking driving a race car around?
Yeah.
Just having a good old time.
Yeah, drinking orange juice out of the
That's all.
box.
Had all his fingers.
Had all his fingers.
Remember when you had all your fingers, Ethan? Remember?
Oh.
Or when you had 2 sons.
And your 2 sons. Remember that?
Are you prepared to kill someone to save your son? Brad Silver, 6784 Long Way Road, Livingston. Kill him, send a picture, get reward. What?
Damn.
Fuck!
Like, he's part of another fucking thing that I'm working on.
What if he's doing this to that guy and they're
Yeah.
gonna have a shootout? Like they meet up there? That'd be so fucking cool. I mean, awful, but like kind of cool.
I gotta save my son. No, I gotta save my son.
Oh, he has his glasses on.
Oh, shit. Mm-hmm. Yes. Love this tune.
You're such a
He's
you're
gonna
such
play
a
the
piano
song
player.
from Final Fantasy VII.
Can this be a game on its own?
No, I'm having
Play the
Piano Hero.
piano hero.
Your vodka, sir.
Vodka? Wait,
Thanks.
are we in the thing or are we not in our glasses? Don't know.
I haven't the faintest. fucking idea.
Oh, you're doing
You should
great.
review
Here we go.
Here's the true.
one last thing.
Uh-oh. One more thing.
You should be careful not to overindulge in you know what.
So don't take no more?
That would
Yeah.
be most unfortunate, sir.
We knew that.
Yeah, just start drinking vodka instead.
Yeah. That'll make it
Can't get black out when you drink vodka, right?
I mean,
Hey! Chevy Malibu?
what was he driving out of the garage when
I don't
when he
remember.
went on his little cop killing rampage? This is why Google Glass didn't work. It's just too complicated.
Philip D.
Okay.
The
Campbell.
car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it.
Neville?
The charges were dropped.
Longbottom?
Not enough evidence.
He's like, there's not enough evidence, so they let him keep the car.
better.
There, I guess it's yours now.
That's what happens when it's stolen property, right? Possession is 9/10 of the law.
No,
Jackson Neville, aka Mad
Mad Jack!
involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen goods.
Southwest Philadelphia,
Considered
born
to
and
be very
raised.
dangerous.
no credit card, no driver. This is the Bill Gates thing that they're afraid of over here. It's the glasses.
Ow.
No, sorry with 5G towers.
HoloLens. That's what it is.
Oh shit!
Oh no. Oh god.
Need this
Oh,
fixed.
one
my
last
camera
thing,
went away.
sir.
Hi, Slank.
Be careful not to overindulge
fix it.
in you know what.
I'm watching.
It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
Shit, it's coming. Tryptocane. The tube is on the
Tryptocane.
bedside table. All I need is to take some, and the pain will go away.
Nah, dog. We ain't about that life no more.
This is gonna kill me.
Nah,
Oh,
we're
man, this is a wobbly walk.
we're splashing our face again. That worked last time, right? No, that.
Yeah, it did. Is it gonna work this time?
I don't know. Breathe, relax. No, I'm Jaden.
You good?
Breathe.
Oh!
Oh.
Hmm.
Yeah. That's right.
Am I
They
gonna-
have a broken fucking mirror.
Am I gonna
Good
fight?
job.
Am I gonna fight myself?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Is this what it feels like to fucking trip balls? You guys said alcohol? Okay, we can do that. Alcohol's not dangerous, right?
No. it's
Nah.
perfectly safe. Drink a lot though, so it
Yeah,
works
we-
faster.
Just keep on going. No. Keep going, keep
Trippy Hap says this boy on that good shit.
going. Oh, too much.
Ooh. Ooh. Bring to the porcelain gods.
God.
I need to
Throw
get
it.
rid of it.
Throw.
It's the only way.
Yeah.
I'm going to flush it down the toilet.
Whoa. He's Mr. Wobbly Man.
Throw it.
I need to get
Throw
rid
it.
of it. It's the only way.
Yeah, get that shit out of here. We don't need this.
Yeah, get it out of your life, future
If-
boy. Come
if,
on.
if Captain Planet taught me anything, it's to don't do drugs.
Cool me down.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Yeet.
Vile drug. Vile temptress.
Be gone.
Be gone, thought. Is that it? I'm gonna die?
Ooh. He's fucking.
Was he like?
Mean withdrawals.
Yeah, was like he honestly like for fucking ever?
Yes, damn.
Because
It takes
looting and
hours.
polluting is not the way.
Shelby.
Hear what Officer Shelby has to say.
I wanna see-
Yay!
Yay. I was gonna say I want to see the inches, but we'll save that for.
The inches. We need to
The
know
inches.
the inches. That was a interesting crawl and tents and going through fucking mazes and electricity and it was a good time tonight.
The killer's getting more and more sadistic, and
Complicated.
now it's like, I mean, if it's Ethan, it's not gonna make sense, and I'm gonna be really fucking upset.
Who's your main suspect right now?
Madison.
It's
Madison?
really hard to say. No, not Madison. Oh, that would be a twist.
She's
as
an
well.
insomniac.
Probably
Shit.
the rich kid or Ethan.
I don't think it's Ethan.
The guy had like this weird look about him. The rich dad guy
Yeah.
protecting his son. Like he knows something's up, but I don't know what.
Let's see. Let's just go through some characters. We have Future Boy. I don't think it's Future Boy.
No, it's not him at all.
Nah, that's not him.
Homie Cop. Fuck, what's his name? What's his actual name?
I don't remember.
Yeah, the buddy
Guy
cop.
with the goatee.
Bad cop.
Bad
Yeah.
cop.
We have
Mean cop.
him.
He's a meanie.
And I don't think it's him, but I wouldn't know if he's like involved somehow.
Oh, he's like feeding his like killer son or something. Have I not been a good son to you?
Why have you forsaken me?
Never.
Alright.
All right, guys. Thank you. See you later.